hold up. Whoa, what?
This shit way too. Off the Remy, had up at post. Had to hit my old town and duck the news.
What's up, Dream Chasers? Kevin Van Voris here for another video for you guys today. So today we are going to be possibly looking at the replacement for the HELLCAT charger. So there's a yellow charger HELLCAT. I believe it's stock. It's right over here. And we're going to go take a look at it. Let's go see if we can go look at this thing. I haven't drove a stock HELLCAT in I don't know how long. We got a nice vet over there too. Look at this thing. I love the yellow. That's nice. Let's go check this out. Oh God. Oh God. Looks pretty clean. It's 2017. It's nice. Pretty sure it's stock. Oh, look at these though. Damn, stripes are fucked up. That's not good. Definitely has not been drove in a while. Jesus. Pretty clean though. I mean, the paint needs to be fixed, but I wonder if it's worth having a stock HELLCAT again. I don't know. What do you guys think? Stock HELLCAT? No more Paisley Cat? It's got leather. You can barely see. This thing's been sitting for a while. I doubt it's unlocked. Let's see. Nope. You know what's funny is anytime I come to a dealership, I'm standing out here, no one wants to help. I guess they don't want to sell a car or even talk about it, so that's cool. Always like that. Oh man, I miss my car. This actually is pretty nice on the inside. The leather's kind of beat a little bit. Alright, so I just checked it out. The leather on it is really beat up. And it only has 6,000 miles. Which is weird. Because, I mean, this has 16,000 miles. And the leather in here still looks really new. So, I don't know. The leather looks just like on one of the seats really beat up. But, turned it on. You can tell it hasn't been drove in a while. Because, like, to start it was like, Then it finally turned on. That thing probably has not been drove in, I bet you, like 3 to 6 months. That thing's just been sitting there. I love the yellow color. Yellow color is really pretty. Obviously, I have a demon in yellow. It's a really nice color. I remember when they released those. She's like, oh, have you drove a HELLCAT before? I'm like, lady, my Jeep has a HELLCAT motor. And I was like, I'm not trying to be like a dick. I was like, yeah, I have a HELLCAT. She's like, oh, are you looking to trade it in? I was like, no, I'm not trying to trade it in. I was just looking to see what like a normal HELLCAT would be cost-wise for a charger, and especially since there's one sitting right here. Usually I haven't seen one used HELLCAT in Amarillo before. Nope. I'm thinking, no, I really haven't actually. So that's why I really wanted to look at it. I just wanted to see kind of what a stock charger HELLCAT was like again. You know, my car has been stocked for some time, so it was nice just kind of looking at that. She said they want like 57,000 for it, which, I mean, for the mileage isn't bad, but like the stripes are fucked up, so like you could probably knock off some money for that. Sure, it needs an oil change. What else? The only thing, so this is like, if anybody's who's interested in buying this HELLCAT, just make sure you look at it over a lot. It is from Michigan. You always should get a Carfax, which they provided a Carfax, which was really nice. But you got to make sure when you're looking at cars, find out where they're from, because a lot of people won't buy cars from up north. And one of the pulleys had a bunch of rust on it. So you want to be careful when you're buying stuff like that. Just because, you know, even if it's only 6,000 miles, which is pretty low for the engine, you know, it's the other parts that could have a bunch of rust and shit on them. So especially being in Michigan and all the salt and shit they get up there. So if it's drove around, you know, one winter and there's salt all the time, you can really fuck your shit up. So I'm not going to buy another Charger. I just really wanted to look at a stock Charger and see what the stock HELLCAT sounded like and sit in it and, you know, just kind of feel what it like. I really wanted to drive it. I don't know if they would have let me. Maybe they would have. But I really wanted to check it out, see how much it cost, and see if any of you guys were interested in getting it. I don't have any affiliation with it, but I thought it was cool. It was a used HELLCAT. Really nice color. I would rip the stripes off, have it re-tinted, tint the back lights. It's already got black wheels, and you've got a really nice car for probably not too much. I mean, I'm sure, like, it's probably not worth more than, I don't know. I think somebody could really pick it up for about 50 is what I'm thinking. 6,000 miles. It's stock, so that's nice, and it's never been fixed up. So it's cool though. At least they did give me the Carfax, which, again, it's from Michigan, so just kind of be careful when you're looking at cars like that. But anyways, what's the name of this dealership? I didn't even get the name of the dealership. I don't know. Not really sure. The owner had it for 1 year and 7 months. Type of owner, corporate fleet. I wonder what that even means. Does that mean like you wouldn't have maybe it's was it a rental car? Maybe that's what that means. No accidents. It does have the original warranty, which is really cool, so that's super nice. But anyways, I wanted to go check it out. It's a nice car. I really love the color. You know, it makes me miss my HELLCAT. See, this is what happens. I don't have my Charger HELLCAT, and I start going and looking at other Charger HELLCAT. So sadly, there was one already here that was used, and if I didn't have, like, the yellow is super nice, super nice. But I don't know, I just want to make a video, show you guys about the car. I miss my Charger. I don't know when it's gonna be fixed. I know they were waiting on the pistons. I'll give you guys a little Charger HELLCAT update. I was waiting on the pistons, and then what else? It's not gonna be ready by Autorama, is what Dan said. And to be honest, I don't know if it's going to be ready for TX2K. I'm going to call them on Monday, so in, 6 days, and ask them if it's going to be ready for TX2K, because it has to be shipped no later than March 12th to get there by the 14th. It's going to be a close one, for sure. So, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Nice little HELLCAT. If you guys want to go look at it, it's off the dealership. It's off Georgia and... what is that? Or not Georgia. It's off 45th and I-27. You can't miss it. It's yellow. It's fucking bright as can be. But I wanted to go check it out, see what it was about, and kind of give you guys, if anyone's looking for a Charger HELLCAT, they got one in Amarillo. And I know some of you guys are always looking for good deals. So they have it listed for 57. I think you could get it for probably 50, maybe 51. So, which wouldn't be a bad deal for a car that has 6,000 miles. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna go live tonight, so make sure you guys tune in, maybe like at 8:30 p.m., maybe 9 p.m., somewhere around there. But anyways, I will see you guys tonight for tonight's live video. Make sure you guys keep grinding, keep hustling. My name is Kevin Van Voris, and I'm out this bitch.